Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I am Karen. Remember the jewelry part I showed you in the previous video? Today I'm gonna give you a brief introduction. It can be used in bracelets, necklaces, any jewelry with a clasp. And this part is made of copper with 2 layers 925 sterling silver plated, which means that the silver plating will fade after a while. And the factory owner also thought of this, so there's another version in sterling silver as well. And more expensive, of course. In fact, these parts are like the positioning beads are usually used for the jewelry with clasp. But the jewelry looks better with this. And my design habit is to add 1 silver bead on both sides of the positioning beads. So that the wire can be hidden in this hole. So the advantage for me is I don't need to use 2 more silver beads on both sides if I use the new positioning beads. You see the difference? Because these beads are round and I can just hide the wire here. But the disadvantage is if you want to remake this jewelry, your cost is more expensive than the normal ones because this piece cannot be used again, like $1 for 2 pairs, and then $4 for the sterling silver pair. With the normal positioning beads, only cost you like a few dollars for a bag. I'm not sure how many jewelry pieces you can make with all this. And the second disadvantage is its hole is smaller than the normal positioning bead. It can only pass through 2 steel wire within 0.4 millimeters. So if you use a thicker wire, you will not be able to use this part. And the last disadvantage is you have to use a lot of strength to clamp it. And it's easy to hurt your fingers. Jewelry makers like us, fingers are very important. Therefore, combining the 3 disadvantages, this copper positioning beads are not very good to use from my point of view. But I can't give advice on the sterling silver ones because I haven't used them yet. And I wish I can share more parts with you, the goods and bads in the future, okay? So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.